Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Urus in Rocket League. The Lamborghini Urus was a special item, released as part of a limited-time bundle. This exclusive bundle featured not only the Urus, but also the Huracan SDO, along with several themed items like decals, engine audio, and wheels. Players could acquire this entire collection directly from the in-game item shop. The initial cost for this premium bundle was 2,000 credits, offering great value for two iconic vehicles and accessories. Beyond the Urus itself, the bundle was packed with exciting content. You received both the Lamborghini Urus and the Huracan SDO, giving you two distinct supercars. Each car came with its own unique set of decals, allowing for personalized styling. The bundle also included custom engine audio, perfectly replicating the roar of a real Lamborghini. To top it off, exclusive wheels were part of the package, ensuring your vehicles looked authentic and stood out on the field. It's important to remember that the Lamborghini Urus bundle was a limited-time offering. It appeared in the item shop for a specific period, and once that time passed, it was no longer directly available for purchase. However, special bundles like this do occasionally make a return to the item shop. Developers sometimes bring back popular items for new events or anniversaries. To stay informed, always keep a close watch on official Rocket League news and announcements for any potential re-releases. If the Lamborghini Urus bundle isn't currently in the item shop, you might be wondering about other ways to get it. Unfortunately, licensed vehicles like the Urus cannot be traded between players. This means you won't find it on the player-to-player trading market. Your best bet is to patiently wait for a potential return to the item shop. In the meantime, explore the wide variety of other licensed cars and unique car bodies available, and keep an eye out for new and exciting items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.